Hello everyone, and welcome to this demonstration. In this video, I will showcase an SAP sales order agent capable of interpreting business requests written in natural language, searching SAP sales order data, and performing updates when required. The goal is to demonstrate how a user can provide clear, business-oriented instructions while the agent translates those instructions into structured SAP actions. For the first scenario, I will ask the agent to retrieve sales orders using the following request. Show me all sales orders for Australia created after 1st of March 2026, where the delivery date is until the end of this month, and the total amount is over 3,000 Australian dollars. The agent begins by analyzing the request and determining that this is a search-only scenario. It identifies the relevant country, creation date, delivery date range, and amount condition. Since the request refers to the end of this month, the agent interprets the current month and applies the appropriate date boundary automatically. After processing the natural language request, the agent builds the required SAP search criteria and executes the search. The results are then returned and made available for review, showing the sales orders that match the defined business conditions. This demonstrates how the agent can interpret a natural language request, apply the correct filters, and retrieve the relevant SAP records without requiring the user to manually navigate complex SAP screens. In the second scenario, I will demonstrate a combined search and update operation. The request sent to the agent is: find all open sales orders for US customers created after 1st of April 2026, where the requested delivery date is before 15th of May 2026. The order is not delivery blocked, and the total net amount is above 6,000 US dollars. Update the requested delivery date to 31st of May 2026 and add an order note saying stock availability. The agent first identifies that this request includes both a search condition and an update action. It extracts the relevant business criteria, including customer country, order status, creation date, requested delivery date, delivery block status, and net amount threshold. Once the matching sales orders are identified, the agent places them into the processing queue and proceeds with the requested updates. It updates the requested delivery date and adds the specified order note to each applicable sales order. After the update is completed, the SAP records can be refreshed and reviewed to confirm that the requested delivery date has been changed and the order note has been added successfully. This scenario highlights the agent's ability to execute multi-step business instructions that combine data retrieval with controlled SAP updates. In the third scenario, I will use the agent to identify sales orders that may require additional risk control. The request is: find all sales orders from German customers where the total net amount is greater than 6,000 euros. Payment terms are not immediate, and the customer credit status is critical. Put a delivery block on these sales orders. The agent interprets this as a search followed by an update action. It identifies the relevant German customer sales orders that meet the defined financial, payment, and credit risk conditions. Once the matching records are found, the agent proceeds to update each applicable sales order by applying a delivery block. This helps prevent further delivery processing for orders that require review due to credit risk or non-immediate payment terms. After the agent completes the updates, the SAP records can be refreshed to verify that the delivery block has been applied. This scenario demonstrates how the agent can support business controls by automatically identifying high-risk sales orders and applying the appropriate operational restriction. In the fourth scenario, I will demonstrate how the agent can prioritize urgent customer deliveries. The request sent to the agent is: find all open sales orders from Australia created in the last 4 months, with delivery date in the next 15 days. Total net amount above 7,000 Australian dollars, and no delivery document created yet. Change the shipping condition to express delivery, and add the note: urgent customer delivery. The agent analyzes the request and extracts the necessary search criteria, including order status, country, creation period, upcoming delivery window, net amount condition, and the absence of a delivery document. After identifying the eligible sales orders, the agent proceeds with the requested updates. It changes the shipping condition to express delivery and adds the business note indicating that the order requires urgent customer delivery. The updated SAP records can then be refreshed and reviewed to confirm that the shipping condition and note have been applied correctly. This use case demonstrates how the agent can help accelerate operational decisions for time-sensitive customer orders. In the fifth scenario, I will show how the agent can update payment terms based on specific customer and order conditions. The request is: find all sales orders for customer 171-00001 created after 1st of March 2026, where the order value is below $1,000. The order has exactly 4 items, and the order is not billing blocked. Update the payment terms to immediate payment. The agent identifies this as another search and update scenario. It extracts the customer number, creation date, order value condition, item count requirement, and billing block status. It then searches SAP for the sales orders that match these criteria. Once the applicable sales orders are found, the agent updates the payment terms to immediate payment. The SAP records can then be refreshed to confirm that the payment terms have been updated successfully. This final scenario demonstrates the agent's ability to apply targeted business rules to specific customers and sales orders. Overall, this demonstration shows how a natural language SAP agent can simplify sales order management by translating business requests into structured SAP search and update actions. The agent can identify relevant records, apply changes, and provide traceability through the processing queue and update history. By using clear business instructions, users can interact with SAP more efficiently, reduce manual effort, and improve consistency across sales order operations. Thank you for watching.